Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Look at God. The song is Look at God. The artist is Saint FINNIKIN, and the choreography is AVERY. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in a step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it.
Look at God, grateful for the love and the peace and the joy inside of me. It don't stop. All the miracles and miracles and miracles and miracles repeat, man. I'm in awe. Surrounded by the seraphim and cherubim, wings up on the feet, man. Look at God. You know blessings can be, blessings can be. I say it twice for the G. Let me say something to you. Let me say something to you. Hallelujah, hallelujah, you better dance at the scale. Moving through your eyes, shake. Let me say something to you. Let me say something to you. Hallelujah, hallelujah, better dance at the scale. Moving through your eyes, shake. Twice for the G. Let me say something to you. Let me say something to you. Hallelujah, hallelujah, you better dance at the scale. Moving through your eyes, shake. Let me say something to you. Let me say something to you. Hallelujah, hallelujah, you better dance at the scale. Moving through your eyes, shake.
God. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.